this is MK and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Physical Universe with Zero. For update of my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. In this video, we will learn about how to solve problems which are based on relative velocity, mainly raindrop problem. So here is our question. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 20 meters per second and a boy is riding a bicycle from east to west with a speed of 10 meters per second. In which direction should he hold his umbrella? So you have to find what should be the direction of umbrella in which boy have to hold his umbrella to prevent him from rain. So here solution. Velocity of raindrop, it is given 20 meter per second. We are considering it as VR. Similarly, velocity of boy 10 meter per second, it is also given and we are considering it as VV. Velocity and direction of raindrop with respect to boy. So that's the thing we have to find. We are considering here VRB as the velocity of raindrop with respect to boy. So you have to hold umbrella in this direction. So as you know that according to the formula of relative velocity, velocity of raindrop with respect to boy, that is VRB, is equal to VR minus VV, that is velocity of rain minus velocity of boy. This can be also written as VR plus minus VV, that is velocity of rain plus negative of velocity of boy. So we are going to represent this problem through a pictorial way of vector representation. So here you can see we have considered north, south, east, west direction. So rain is falling vertically. So this green arrow is representing VR, that is velocity of rain, which is vertically downward. So this green arrow is representing the velocity of raindrop, which is 20 meter per second. Similarly, this red arrow is representing the velocity of boy, which is riding bicycle from east to west. So the direction of BB is from right to left. But we need to find minus BB. So to find minus BB, what you have to do? You have to just invert this red arrow. So the direction of minus BB will be from west to east. So here you can see that we have inverted this red arrow. Initially it was from east to west, which was representing BB, but now it is from west to east, which is representing minus BB. So now we have VR and also we have minus BB. So next step is to simply just add VR and minus BB. To add these two vectors, we will also use triangle of vector addition. So here your first vector is VR and second vector is minus BB. So if you want to add VR with minus BB, then what you have to do? You have to place first vector, which is VR, such that its head coincide with the tail of second vector, which is minus BB. So in this figure, we have shifted our VR such that its head is now coinciding with the tail of minus VB. So now this is your VR plus minus VB. So resultant will be from tail of first vector to the head of second vector. So this VR blue arrow is representing the resultant vector, which is our relative velocity of rain with respect to boy. So now we have our relative velocity of rain with respect to boy. We have to find the direction of VRB. So you have two options. Either you can find the direction of VRB with respect to horizontal, or you can say minus VB or ground. And another thing is, you can also find the direction of VRV with respect to vertical, or you can say y-axis, or VR. So here we are considering phi is the angle with respect to horizontal, and theta is the angle of VRV with respect to vertical. So we have to find either theta or phi. This will be the direction in which boy have to hold his umbrella. So to find phi and theta, you can use trigonometrical formulas. So your answer will be, with respect to horizontal, boy have to hold his umbrella at an angle of phi angle, and with respect to vertical, boy have to hold his umbrella at an angle of theta to prevent him from raindrops. So next thing is to find the value of phi and theta. So here you can see this is our vertical and horizontal axis, and this should be the direction of umbrella. This is the direction in which boy needs to hold his umbrella to prevent him from raindrops. So here, to find phi and theta, you can simply use trigonometrical relations. So in this triangle, right angle triangle, you can see whose side are VR minus VB and VRB. These three sides are making a right angle triangle whose one angle is phi and another angle is theta. So by using the formula or properties of right angle triangle, you can simply find theta and phi, which is your desired answer. So tan phi will be VR by VB. As you know that tan theta is perpendicular by base. So for angle phi, VR is your perpendicular and VB is your base. Similarly, tan theta is equal to VB by VR. So for theta, VB is your perpendicular while VR is your base. And VRB is your resultant velocity of rain with respect to boy. This is the resultant, and you can say it is h, or hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So as you know that h is equal to p square plus b square whole root over. So VRB will be equal to root over VR square plus BV square. So by using these three formulas, you can simply calculate phi, theta and VRB. So if you will put the value of VRB, VB. I hope this video will help you to improve your interest and understandings of physics. If you have any question or confusion regarding any topic of physics, please tell me in comment box below this video, and I will try to help you in my next video as soon as possible. To support, please subscribe my channel and share this video link. Thank you and have a nice day.